G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. First piece, these little brown bits should grind off and make a nice little stone there. Some of this material hasn't got a lot of colour, it's potch colour. That could make a nice little pendant there perhaps. A couple of pieces here, you might as well get them. Just for me to throw it away. There's a little bit of blue on the top, but not a hell of a lot. Same with this. Just basically throwing it in because I had it there. Just a couple of little eyes of colour. Just a bit better. If you wanted to Dremel this, you might get some of the more of the brown out. It has been already polished and then discarded. I don't know why. Same within this side's been polished. Whether they're going to make it a little specimen, don't know. Okay, just another curio piece, as is this. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.